Boom, 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 bang, 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 bing. It's your boy Jamaican Jay with another GTA video, man. And today we're going to be checking out the new GTA Gang Mod. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this Gang Mod is new. I'm kind of anxious to see what it has in store, man, because there hasn't been a Gang Mod in a while. Word up. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated on this channel. Word up. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ Dashanda X. Also on Twitter, Dashanda X Jamaican J4. Yeah. I want to give a shout out to all those people in India, man, who is going through the coronavirus, man. I want to say, y'all just be strong, man. Keep your heads up, man. And you know what I'm saying? I'm just praying for you guys over there in India, man. Word up. I really feel you guys' pain, man. Word. All right, man. Well, off that sad note, let's get it popping. All right, so today I'm driving the Subaru. Yeah. I like this car. This is my favorite car. This is one of my favorite cars in the modded cars. This is one of my favorite cars right here. Yeah. I'm not really a big Subaru guy, but this particular car. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what this mod is gonna send us. So I'm just checking out the mod for the first time also. I haven't tried it yet, which I should have. I should have tested it before I. But hey, what the fuck? Yeah, man, I like how this car sound too. Yo, what's going on over there? Oh shit, they got a shootout right there. Look at that. Them two dudes shooting at each other, look. Oh, you got him. You're shooting at me, bro? I didn't even do you nothing. Oh, you're shooting at some guy over there. That's some turf war going on around here. What is it? Somebody dead? What the hell going on around here? Dead people are everywhere. Where's the house? Is this house or is that house? Fuck it, I park here. Yeah, I'm gonna close my car up. Ain't nobody stealing this jammy. I wonder if I could go through here. Nope. Oh, this is where all the gangs hanging out, huh? Yeah. Yeah, what y'all running for? I ain't no police.
Punk ass bitch.
Oh, they probably see some ops over there. Yep, they moving to their ops. Yep, they fighting over there. All right, man, let's go join the gang and see what's up. Press to join the gang. Okay, I'm joining the gang. The gang. Remember, respect is everything. Give me a call when you feel it. Now you are a member of the gang. Okay, I'm a member of the gang now, baby. I'm a gang member. All right, so give him a call. Where's my phone? Oh, yeah, I need to change his phone. Oh, there we go. Quick J. So give him a call. Okay. Let me get away from around here, man. There's too much going on here. They're still fighting. You know what? Here, let me get away from here and then look at them fighting again over there. Look at that. Damn, he decked him. There's fighting going on everywhere. Alright, let's give him a call and see what he got in store. Wanna go for a ride with our homies? Just don't lose our bike. Reward, okay. Reward $4,945, okay.
Oh, this is worse than an earthquake.
Oh, damn. Let me lock my car up. Hey, doggy. All right, let's see. Where's that bike? We're gonna ride with the homies. Gonna ride with the motherfucking homies. Oh, we're gonna ride bicycles?
If they put one more Deals and Dollar store in South LS, I'm gonna bite somebody. Do the words mom and pop not mean anything today?
All right, let's go see what this riding bicycle is all about. Go to the first location. All right, let's ride, bros. You don't hit up in my car, bro. Yo, move, man.
Let's meet up next week.
Where the local be at? Oh, hell.
I don't think they could pass my car, yo. Oh, they did. Okay. They'll find their way. Yeah, where them other dudes at? There's one more. He got stuck. Alright, he's alright, man. Fuck it. Oh, shit. There's a lot of shootout going on. They're chasing my guys. Yes, they are. Are they really chasing us, man? Oh, they ain't chasing us. Come on, dudes. Let's go. There go the neighborhood. Yeah, man, I feel bad for those people in India, man. I'm telling you, man. That shit is just crazy over there. Oh, man. It's real crazy. All right, let's see where I'm going. I'm going here. Wreck the car and get away. Oh, so we got to wreck this car and get away. Okay. I could do that. Let me use a baseball bat, yeah.
Nice ride. You jack that shit?
No, they all clapping. Oh, shit, they clapping how I'm wrecking it.
Man, you flossing with them wheels. Nice ride. You jack that shit?
Go to the next location. Okay. I want to ride this bike, man. Oh, you ain't gonna jump? Okay. Alright. Let me go on my bike.
Holy shit!
Get the fuck out of the way, bro. Come on, dudes. Yeah, big up Dilean the Alien, man. Big up to Dilean the Alien. Word up. Dilean the Alien is the person who is responsible for this mod. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna join his Patreon too. I support everybody, man. I don't care who you are, man. As long as you make good shit, I support. Show support. Yeah, big up all my people in Jamaica. Yeah. Spanish Town, Montego Bay, Kingston, Westmoreland, Negril. Alright, this must be this car right here. Alright, man, let's fuck this one up too.
Nah. Man, you flossing with them wheels. Nice ride.
Fuck this. No, I ain't even breaking the damn window. Oh my god. You know what? I ain't even do nothing to the car, man. I want to break the wind. There we go. Now I did something. I can't break the front window. Yeah, we fucked that car up. I want to ride one of these big bicycles. Let me see if he's not going to get on my bicycle if I ride his bicycle. I guess not. I guess I got to get on my bike. Yep, I got to get on my bike. He's not going to get on. Got to get on the bike I rode. Alright, dudes, we're going to take a shortcut through here, man. Where everybody at? I think he's taking a long... That guy on the right, he's taking a long way around. California love. Come on, dudes, don't get hit. Oh, y'all want to race?
No, this ain't a go postal office.
Hey, boy, watch it.
Ain't seen you in forever.
You're fucking done, you
I'm mad
bitch!
tight, yo.
Yo, where's my next homeboy at? Oh, we out of here, bro.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's going on over there. That was a nice trip, huh? Have you earned something? Yeah, I earned $4,000. Yeah. I earned $4,000.
You fucking up the neighborhood.
Who's fucking up the neighborhood? Man, fuck you, man. Talk about I'm fucking up the neighborhood. This is where I should have parked my car right here.
That's me. Who asked?
Yeah, why is that guy in the box? Standing in the box over there. This guy is standing in the igloo. And he's standing in the chair. Hey, bro. Why you standing in the chair, bro?
Yeah,
Wow.
I know. You just want some homegirl to talk smack and wag her finger.
Alright, man. Let's call. See what's up.
Nah,
Get the next job.
I ain't let you stereotype my black ass.
We need some supplies. Javon will help you go shopping. Okay. Where's Javon? Reward 1,000. Okay, so this ain't even paying a lot of money. Oh, this must be Javon on the bike talking about I'm fucking up. He's the one who was talking about I'm fucking up the neighbor. Go to the hideout and pick up Javon by going close to him.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Okay, I picked him up. That's him.
I need some cover, yo.
Oh, come on, bro. Let's go.
You whack ass bust. Man, you suck. You fucking up the neighborhood.
Why you keep saying that, bro?
Come on, fam, move up out my way.
Why my car ain't opening?
Come on, fam. What the fuck?
Yo, my car is not opening. Alright, man. Fuck it. My car ain't opening. I don't know why my car ain't opening.
Kiss my black ass.
It's weird. Alright, fuck it. Let's get a different car. Cause I don't know. It's weird though. My car alarm is not working or something. I don't know. I like that little. Man, I should just get back the same car. Fuck that. Where is it? Where is it?
Man, I'm higher than a rocketeer. I ain't going nowhere fast.
I don't like this color. Yo, why is that dude sitting in the fucking back? Okay.
You ain't worth a wooden bus token.
Oh, you showing finger?
Motherfucker.
You showing finger to people, man, to the ops?
Yeah, motherfucker.
Oh, you running down somebody. All right, man, let's go pick up.
Motherfucking car crash. Crazy, man. Hell no. Piece of shit. I'm about to knock a patch out of your ass. Don't make me slap your ass up. You ain't going nowhere, fool.
Okay, man, I got the supplies, man. Let's go. I'm not even gonna run from these fools. Come on, bro, let's go. We gotta go pick up the other supply.
I've been smoking all motherfucking day. I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna do for the rest of the day.
Hey, watch it, fool.
Man, I'm higher than a rocketeer. I ain't
Alright.
going nowhere fast.
Yo, shut up, man.
Look the fuck out.
Didn't even close the damn car door, man. Yo, did he go get it already or what? How he went in there without me? Oh, he got it. Okay. Oh, that's cool. He could go get it. That's what's up. I ain't got to get out of the car. Come on, bro. Let's go. We got more supplies to pick up.
I'm about to just sit here and keep it crack-a-lacking like a bag of knuckles, my baby.
Fuck my car up.
Hey, remember me? It's Mama.
Hey, watch it, fool. Everywhere I go, there's a fight, man. Damn, I can't go nowhere without a shootout.
Hey, yo! One of the homies is hit! That motherfucking car crashed. You crazy, man.
Yo, go ahead, man. Ain't you gonna get out?
You ain't about shit. You're dead. Oh,
Man, I'll go get it myself, bro. Okay, I got the supplies.
oh my God.
My car is still there. I'm gonna park right here, yo. Lock that bitch up. Let me see if it's gonna open. Okay, it's working. Drop this drugs off. I mean, supplies. doing work for the gang. Okay, so far so good, man. That's nice. Thanks for your time, dog. Go buy stuff for yourself. Nah. Oh, dog, don't fuck with me, dog. Yo, somebody just shot me. Yo, why you shoot me, bro? That guy just shot me, man. Let me move. See, and you got murked. And this is a bad neighborhood. All right, let me call myself quick. Myself Jay got work for me, man. I don't have anything for you right now. Maybe another time. Okay. Yo, watch it, fool. Look, they're about to shoot out. They're about to shoot. They're about to fight. It's about to be on. You got a nice hook. Let me see. You know what? I'm gonna go to my stash house and drop some money off. Yo.
Let's do this, fool.
There's a lot of fight going on, man. I think I got some money I gotta drop off. Oh, I didn't buy this? Okay, purchase, man. Do I got money to purchase it? Oh, yes, I do. Okay. See what I got in this closet. Stash. How much money I got on me? Let's stash some of this money off. Yeah. By what? Hundreds? Thousands, yeah. Yep. Stash some money. Let me call this dude, see if he got work for me, man. Call the gang leader. I don't have anything for you right now. Maybe another time. Damn, man. Fuck it. I'm gonna go hit the block. Let me see if I got any weed up in here. Got no weed. I got no crack. Only got money. Okay. Let me call Z and get some weed. You know what? I'm only gonna sell weed, man. I'm not selling anything else but weed. Got some money. Oh, the 2 pounds. 2 pound of weed. Spend 5 grand. Okay, go meet my people in Vespucci Canals. They will sort you out. Okay. Go pick my drugs up. Alright, let me see where the hell these. Okay.
That's dumb luck right there.
Vespucci Canals. Okay, I thought it ain't that far. The only thing with this car is that the steering wheel, his hand is not on it. Me? Carjack? I ain't even try to carjack nothing. Why they got a star on me? Let me get out of here, man. Let me get off the road because I don't know why I'm wanted for. This is my connect right here. Hold up, bro. I'm hot. Let the cops pass first. I ain't getting out my car till the cops are gone. I don't want them to catch me doing a drug deal. Yo, hombre, what you doing over there? Don't you know smoking cigarette is bad for your health, bruh? You already look unhealthy. All right, cops, go ahead, man. Now they're gonna get out their car and try to come and find me. Oh, they gone. All right. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, you got my stuff, man? Here's the money, bro. Where's my stuff at? Pick the drugs up.
See you later.
All right, man. Thanks, man.
Hey.
So I got my drugs. Yo, I just noticed that this car got lights in the headrest. Hold on, let me get out of the car. Yep, the lights turn off on the headrest. And when you go in, boom, the light turn on. That's cool. All right. Alrighty. All right, we got our jugs. Let's call this guy. Said he's still got no work for me yet. Man, what the fuck you don't have nothing for me, man? I'm gonna hit the block. In the meantime. Okay, let's go around. Where's my new drug house? All right, I'll just hit here. Oh, hold up. It's right here. My stash house. So, I'm gonna go get my drugs. Oh, my. I'm trying to hit up in my car, dude. There's always shootout around this area. Yo, watch it, fool. All right, man, let's go get our stash. Let's go open our stash. Take. Hold up, stash. Weed. Didn't I just buy some weed? Yo, didn't I just buy some weed, yo? Where's the weed I just bought? I don't know. I don't see no weed in there. I know I just bought some weed. Let me try some. Let me see if I got weed on me. Okay, I'll put the word out. Yo, gunshot beat. Yo, dude. Yo, don't shoot me, bro. I didn't do you nothing. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, Vargos, what's up, man? I got shit, man. I ain't got zero. I just bought some weed. So where is it? Man, get out of here, man. I ain't got no weed, bro. Don't try nothing, bro. Go on now.
Fool, they call me the Butcher.
Oh, yeah?
Lame ass bitch.
You ever seen Mike Tyson? Huh? Huh? Ever seen a Jamaican Mike Tyson? Huh? No, fuck out of here, man. Ugly ass. Dude standing with his shoddy.
Hi there.
Yo, miss, I ain't got no weed, man. And
Carajo, what a mess.
I ain't got shit.
Lowering the murder rate.
Your mama is a slut.
My mama's a slut. Get out of here. Where's my weed,
Oh,
man?
you're gonna be sorry.
Oh, shit. Oh, that guy's stabbing me. Oh, shit. This ain't gonna work out, right?
Oh
He got Don't fuck with me, man. Don't fuck with me. Give me that drugs. I'll take that and go sell it. Oh, really?
no! Hey, that's dumb luck right there.
I don't know why I hit in that car. That was dumb. They got a chopper out on me? Wow. For 2 stars.
Oh, shit.
Alright, chopper, I'm gonna see you follow me now, bitch. He's trying to come up in here. And one behind me too. He's trying to block the road. Okay, you trying to block the road, bro? Come on, guys. Leave me alone, bro. I didn't have no drugs, but now I got some drugs. Because the guy I killed, he had some drugs on him. Oh, they're coming this way. We move down. Okay, they gone. Yo, ain't this what's his name house? We need some supplies. Oh, you need supplies again? Alright, let's just do one more supply run, man. Yo, why are you turning in my car, asshole? Look at this. What the fuck is going on with this game, man? Like everybody trying to block your fucking way, man.
Good.
Cocksucker! Don't fuck with the family! Yeah!
Yo, come on, man. Let's just do this supply run again.
Ah!
Yeah, there you go. Hey, yeah, you wanna chuck it with me?
Damn, man, we go with this. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Yo, yo,
Asshole.
fuck out of here, bro. Fuck out of here.
You want coach?
Let's go, bro. What's wrong with that dude, man?
Man, I'm hired in a Rocketeer.
As-
I ain't going nowhere fast.
Man, you say that every time, bro. And stop showing people your finger, man.
Let's meet up next week.
Damn!
Sorry, dude.
That motherfucking car crash was crazy, man. Man, that's dumb luck right there.
Look like it's the same places we going. I wonder why they send us to do this mission again, man. Like I'm a fucking just that's all I do in the gang is get supplies, man. When am I gonna roll on the ops? Come on, man. Get in.
I've been smoking all motherfucking day. I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna do for the rest of the day.
Is this a one-way? Fuck it, we're going down the one-way. Watch it, fool. We're going down this one way. We're going down this one way. All right, watch it, bro. Oh, you're going for that? Why, motherfucker, why you get out of the car so quick, man? Fuck up my car door and shit. See if I could fix this car, man.
I'm about to just sit here and keep it crack-a-lacking like a bag of knuckles, my baby.
You need to calm down now.
They curse. They be cursing a lot on this motherfucker, yeah, I swear.
I don't like the way you smell. I'm gonna pop you! Stupid lard bucket.
Okay, I got the supplies, man. This is my last supply run either. Too, man, because I ain't doing this shit no more. Kamikaze attack!
You're a dead motherfucker!
Yo, these people are driving crazy. I gotta watch them. Not saying I ain't driving crazy too. Yeah, so it's only 2 missions I did so far in this gang thing, and that was riding the bicycles and this. That's nice. Thanks for your time, dog. Go buy yourself something now. That's all the money you gave me, man. $1,349, man. I could make more in the block. Yo, who dog is this? Hey, doggy, doggy. Oh, shit. Don't bite me, bro. Yo, let me see if I could sell some weed right here. I don't know what I took from that dude, man. Let me see. Let me just sell everything, because I don't know what I took from him.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up, Op? You want some weed, bro? What you want?
I got some knowledge to impart, man. Don't forget that.
Yeah, I only got 3 grams, bro. So see ya. See ya.
Boy, get him up.
Oh shit, this dude trying to stab me. Let me reach on my gun real quick. Bitch ass, don't try to rob me, bro. Move, bro. Don't try to rob me. Don't try to rob me, man. Let me go. Let me go hide around the Vagos territory. Take refuge around there. Ain't no hiding spot around here. Damn, that's ballers. Oh, this is Vagos over here. Damn, this must be where the Red Bull company is. Yo, leave me alone, cops.
Where the hell did he go?
Damn, what the hell going on here? Alright, let me see if I could sell something again. I don't have enough drugs, huh? Try again. Hey, kitty, kitty. See the dog right there? You could be his dinner. All you gotta do is jump over that fence. Hey, what up, bro? Hey, what up, Poppy? What you want, man? Only got 3 grams, bro. Why y'all be wanting a lot so much, man? I only got some small time shit, man. I ain't no big time dealer right now, man. I just robbed this shit. Okay, there you go, bro. I could sell you that. All right, Papi. Okay, ese. Yo, what, ese? What you want, man? Why you hiding? Oh shit! Get him. Shut the fuck. Oh, you got all his friends coming, huh?
Watch out, Holmes.
Oh, yo, bro, I gotta get out of here. Jump in the car, bro. Oh, this is a customer. Hurry up, boy. Come on. Jump in the car. Get out of here, man. I'm just gonna sell you in the car, bro. What you want? Only got 8 grams, bro. Get out of here. Yeah, I must sell from inside my car. Fuck that. Damn, look at all these customers. Only got 3 grams. Get lost.
How's life treating you?
There you go. You got 9 grams of crack. There you go.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Who next? What you want?
Hey, honey, how's it going?
Okay, you want 2 grams of coke. There you go.
Thank you, honey.
Hey, I thought you might know someone else selling close to you. Okay, there's somebody over there hustling too. What's up, girl? Come on in. Business is running. Only got 3 grams. You want 9? See ya.
It's been a minute.
Hi there.
What you want, lady? Only got 3 grams. See ya. I ain't got shit. What you want, lady? Only got 3 grams. See ya. Damn, man, I ain't got no weed. Everybody want weed.
Hello. What you want now?
If you want weed, I ain't got none. Ah, man, she want crack. I ain't got none. Okay, last customer. I got one more customer to go, man. Hurry up, lady.
Hi.
Man, I ain't got no weed. Get out of here. I ain't got no crack either. Man, you can make a lot of money right here.
They I. You know how important this is to me. Where the hell are you?
Okay,
How you do?
there you go.
Thank you.
What you want, lady?
Anything you can spare.
It's a lot of females, though, ain't it? It's a lot of females doing drugs around here. Yo, get out of here, lady. You don't want me to get out of this car. All right, get out of here. I'm done selling. Get out of here. I ain't got shit. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for checking out this Gang Mod. Even though we only did two missions, but there's more to come. You know what I'm saying? In the next chapter, we do other missions. Word up. But I say, 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're a first-time viewer. It is much appreciated, man. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican Jay _X, also on Twitter, Jamaican Jay _X _Jamaican J4. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I say, my prayers goes out to the people in India. You know what I'm saying? Word up. Feel your pain. To the people in St. Vincent. Word up. Prayers goes out to all of y'all. Thanks for watching. God bless. One. Look at these cops. Okay, man. Y'all